today is December 24th and I get tired of your record and edit the video. So I say, I'm going to start the vlogs. I can talk right through it and maybe I just need to clip up a little thing and here and there. So I'm starting off the vlog today. I hope I'm able to produce it. I'm at my favorite food stop. They don't always get it right, but I'm still here. Let me show you where. So I'm going to get my order from me. Juicy beef, my shrimp patty with cheese. But tell me why I get a cup with ice, like say a party me day. Cup with ice cause them juice no cool. But this is it. I got my order. My shrimp patty with cheese, my meatless soup, my cocoa bread. So I'm gonna eat this and then we'll come back. So hey guys, music non-stop. So today I'm going on the road. It's approaching New Year's, so you don't know road of a touch. I just left the nail tech. I'm gonna show you what I got in a minute, but let me turn because I want to be safe. All right, so I'm gonna show you my nails. I'm just go do. I really like it, so I hope you guys do too. Friend, like yeah, this way I go on with it. Understand me? Finger and behave, but yeah, really in love with it. Really in love with the set. So yeah, that's our nails. I hope you like it. You know, so we're at gal. From we born out of our mother, we are at gal. Yeah, yeah, right? Yeah. So what is it looking like for New Year's on your end, my end? I don't know, but I know say I'm not staying in my yard. I'm not staying in yard. That's a one thing. I'm not staying in the yard. I have to ring in the new year on the road because for the entire year it's money. We have to make money. And me can't stay in my yard and make money. So I have to go up on the road. So go ring in the new year. So I can make sure say my salary is sure. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. But yeah, what is it like? What is New Year's like on your end? Middle road kinda, I don't see the New Year's busyness yet, maybe because today is the 28th. So maybe on the 30th and the 31st, that is when I'll see the traffic increasing. But for now, it's regular traffic on the road. Regular. So I got my favorite food stop by now. You're supposed to know by the time you reach another part of the video here, you're supposed to know where I'm going to get my food to eat because that's the only place I can get food from on the road. So yeah guys, let me check in back with you when I'm in the line. I'm gonna get through because it's almost midday now, so I'm sure that the line long. And what is accident on your saw? What kind of something I go on your saw? Well on them people. But yeah, the accident. So not much not going today. I just want to say I'm getting ready for New Year's because New Year's not true. A good night out of door. Good night. Andre. I hang them out. I hang them up in the washroom. And thing. And go and ease myself. So I'll come back to you when I'm finished cooking. So yes guys. I finished wash. Eat some food, got fresh, and so I got my bed. But remember, I get this birthday gift from sister. I never really open it to say wow come in and it. It says a handbag, but I don't have the box. I don't have the box, but I have the bag. It says the handbag. I did a fast on it. It comes with the two little something there. We'll protect the strap. I'm gonna pop that off. The plastic thingy. And then this is what inside the bag looks like. I'm gonna get the little angle strap something here. See it here. I guess to put on the purse. Then we get the purse for the bag. So me just suck up a purse, my life purse. So I'm gonna open this. See, oh, it's a little wallet like. See? Really nice, slim and nice. Yes, so me talk about. It's a little locket something here. put this on. I don't know if my nails are gonna give me the luxury of opening it, but me can make somebody open it for me and attach it here so, and then at one side, so it will come like so, and so I attach it and I have a little purse and whatever. So like that, I'm gonna get one Louise viuton card, one card or something. It's like a debit or credit card. It's made from that material. So, and this is the Louise viuton tag. It comes in the bag. So I like the little purse. I like this. It come with. I'm gonna use the handbag tomorrow. That's why I have to open it, because I go on the road tomorrow. I can't bother carry my little chug-along bag with me everywhere I go. So I say, just open this and use this. So I like that. I have the little packet here in here. So marks Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. I don't know if you can see it from the sun. And then you open up out here. So also I have space, you know, little as I did say. And the thing in here, this barcode, one next little hook something else. It's have to lock the bag. See there? This and this go in here. So when I use bag like when I use a zip, you just lock the bag. See it here? Come finger, you don't ramp with me. See, I know what you know. What you know? See that? See that? And I'm like, whatever this is, I don't know this for, but I like it. So, yeah, my new bag for the road. I'll be using this. Pack this up now, clear up this. I'm going to take my 1 million, kill them. If you know anything about hormone and PCOS, you know, say, one bag of pill. This is a probiotics. Every girl will take this, whether you have hormonal imbalance or whatever. Every girl will take this for your gut health and everything. Melatonin to make you sleep properly, especially with that. And then we have zinc right here. And this is our magnesium for your bone health. No popular attraction?
No, it's not.
Looking for the house, the Christmas house in Mandeville. You see my eye go? Treasure box.
Teeth in the night.
Huh? So me start the first part of Ward Avenue and think me not bother find it. Thanks. I can take a picture with Santa. Hey baby. House 2. Who is winning? Is that a dragon? Dragon Santa? Him win. Him win. One next one then I'm on the villain, but I don't know what that they do. Look at the camera. No, look there. Isn't more beautiful than this? Camera no, bad man for a long time, man. So it's an attraction. House number 2, one for me though. A lot of persons are around here. Well, I don't think it's as busy as what the weekend would be like. And this is a Thursday night. The woman. So house number 2. This is number 2. Merry Christmas. So what going guys, if I come back from what day, from yesterday. I'm gonna go on the road. Okay. Let's stay right side me have on the shirt. Here I'm gonna do my eyelash lash by Sonique. They're okay. I'm on the road now. This is the day before New Year's Eve. Today is the 30th, Friday. And the roads start busy already. I barely can find parking anyway. Loving my nails by the way. Loving my nails. I never do some bright lights up in my face. But at least I get to see my eyelash good. Nothing too extra. Just some classic lashes. And Thanks. Some good lashes and stuff and stuff. Where not reach tomorrow night? Cause me here say Waterfront, Ocharios, and Montego Bay are the 3 fireworks place. But me not near none of them there. So me have to just make up my mind to do deep in mini man more which one of them I want to go. But me can't, New Year's and New Year's can't catch me in the yard. Me have to go up on the road. But yeah, what the pre? For the pre on your end, me not have not much to do tonight. I clean, I wash, and everything already. Just me. My lash do, my nails do. Good girl have our little clothes them. Me not do nothing really to my ear. Me just do the same way. Cut it up and wrap up my ear and bun it. Me have good ear. Me not do no ear now. Me just do my ear what there. Yeah. Me buy how much towels for lace wig and pay how much towels for put it on and put down. Like that. For put it on, me not even need to pay no more money for do my ear now. No sir. Cut it up and bun it. And yeah, that's about it for New Year's. I don't know if me gonna have a New Year's dinner or whatnot, but I'm knowing me ringing the New Year's out somewhere. What I'm going to do on the day, I have no clue. What do you guys usually do? Well, I'm stop the rambling now. Me come change, turn over my shirt, and go buy some market food, some yam, onion, pumpkin, banana, them kind of stuff. They can never have none of them there. Tomorrow is really the market day, but me nah going on that there rush there tomorrow. New Year's Eve, me nah them they kind of walk up and down there. So me I go get 2 little market produce now, planting. Yeah, planting. Me need to check the list now. And me go this and don't get where me go for and buy all kind of different things. But me know planting is a must. So me I get my few little market some of them. If me come back tonight, me show you what I buy and when I get if I come back at tomorrow and we start up the day on the road or wherever. So yeah guys, you're gonna see this maybe for New Year. So happy New Year. If I'm gonna tell you it now, I'm gonna tell you it tomorrow. I'm gonna just tell you for now. Happy New Year. I hope you accomplish everything you started out to at the beginning of 2022. And if you never get everything where you set out to do, mark off on the list them where you get what you did get to do and be thankful, be grateful. It's a new year. And instead of setting a vision board this year, set a prayer board, attach a psalm, a word of God, you know, to pray against with these to pray with these requests, these stuff that you want to get done. So if you want to continuously have your ear done properly, you write down that. If you want a new car, if you want a house, but just attach it. Because remember, you know, God said will give you all of the desires of your heart, you know. So you can imagine you put on that and you keep doing it every single day, and then at the end of 2023 we mark off what we achieve, and then we'll see how blessed we are. You have to make a list, or you're gonna forget it and say, oh, me did ask for the shop, I'm gonna get the shop, or whatever. Next thing me want to know, you know, remember what you did get. So make the list so you can be grateful. You can be grateful. Mark them as you go and keep that list. So at the end of 2023, you say, I have accomplished this. Though stuff may have not been going my way or whatever you consider your way, remember this. Remember that I got this. Remember that God did this. Remember that this happened. So that is how I am trying to remain going forward, and I'll implore you to do the same. Alright, Merry Christmas, Oregon. Happy New Year, and I hope that it's prosperous for us all. We're in good health, good stability, more multiple streams of income. We're pursuing our goals, and we are, you know, outdoing ourselves yesterday. So more life to all of us, and the best is yet to come. Big up on a nice clean self.
It's like foolishness. Are you friend of playing name? Do you like him also? Huh? You like him, man? What did you do? You don't know. Stink.
What do you think? Okay, well, I'm time glass. Tell me what you think. I feel that. Not really sure. Me, I'm gonna set you up. Sure, I can't set you. I'm not really sure. Talk to me nice.
Oh,
2023, let's go. Happy New Year! The man free, the man moving car. The man. Oh.
yeah.